Is your PC painfully slow like mine? Let me show you. If I open Task Manager, you can see my CPU is already at 50% even though I'm not running anything. And when I open Chrome, it jumps to 100% and the whole system starts lagging. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 easy steps to reduce CPU usage and speed up your PC. Before we start, I have a request. Please like the video and subscribe to support my channel. Let's get started. First step is to stop unnecessary apps from running when your computer starts. When you start your PC, some apps automatically start running in background. To stop them, press Ctrl, Shift and ESC button at same time to open Task Manager. Now go to the Startup Apps tab. Here you'll see all the programs that launch automatically with Windows. Click and disable the ones you don't need. This will make your PC boot up much quicker. Next step is to reduce Windows visual effects. This will make your PC feel faster by cutting down on unnecessary animations. Press Win and R at the same time. Run window will open here, type this, and press Enter. A new tab will open. Go to the Advanced section, then click Settings under Performance. Choose Adjust for best performance. Then click Apply. And then OK. This will make Windows feel snappier. Now in next step we have to clean up storage and delete unnecessary data. Open Settings. Go to System and then Storage. Now it will start calculating all the data stored on your PC. Now click on Temporary Files. Here check all of the files except Downloads. Make sure to check the previous Windows Updates tab. You don't really need them and they're only taking up extra storage. After selecting, click on Remove Files. Click Continue. This will remove all the extra files from PC and help us to make our PC much faster. Now we have to uninstall unused programs from the PC. Some of these come pre-installed with Windows, and over time they just sit there taking up space and slowing things down. Go to Settings. Then Apps and select Installed Apps. Look through the list and uninstall anything you don't use anymore. This saves space and reduces background processes. Finally, make sure your system is up to date. Keeping Windows updated not only gives you the latest features but also fixes bugs, improves security, and helps your PC run more smoothly. Go to Settings. Then Windows Update. And check for updates. Then scroll down and click Advanced Options. Go to Optional Updates. Here check all the updated available. And then click Download and Install. Now the all updates will automatically download and installed on your PC. After the updates are installed, you may need to restart your PC so the changes can take effect. And that's it. These are 5 quick steps to speed up your Windows 10 or 11 PC. If this helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more simple Windows tips and tutorials.